And even though I wanted to pay like every single money that the student loan wanted me to pay at the each month, I wasn't able to do it. I wasn't able to do it because I was owing like millions of dollars in tuition cost for the to the student loan. And so it wasn't, you know, feasible for me. I was working like probably like a base salary of like say $68,000 per month, and that was in 2012. $68,000 is roughly less than probably $1,000 US. I'm thinking. I haven't done the math as yet, so let's do it. How much is it for $1? I don't even know how much is it for $1 right now. I think probably like say 145. And if you do the maths on that, it never really worked out. It couldn't work out it couldn't work out because at the end of the day, remember when you're repaying your student loan, if you spend 4 years or 5 years in nursing school or the program, the university you're in, then you only have 5 years to go ahead and